WordPress site, then chances are you've been doing it, well, all wrong. Yes, 99% of bloggers, marketers, and website owners have been using video the wrong way all these years. The problem is just adding a video into a WordPress post barely does anything for you. It does not get you more leads, more sales, or more commissions because people just watch your video and move on or get distracted. Want to really make videos skyrocket your income? Want to use other people's videos and profit from them? Want to build a huge list using trending and viral videos? Yes, you could do all of that on complete autopilot. Introducing WP Video Profits. This brand new WordPress plugin does things to a YouTube video that I never thought were possible. Now you could grab any video from YouTube, add it to your blog, and with the power of WP Video Profits, you can double or even triple the amount of leads, sales, and commissions you were making from your site. Our beta testers have been using this product for a while now, and look at the kind of results they've got. They've been using this plugin to build huge lists for free. They've used it to earn Amazon commissions on autopilot and get a ton of new fans and followers on both Facebook and Twitter. This plugin really takes things to a whole new level for anyone using videos on their website. Want to see how it works? Well, let me show you. Once you install and activate WP Video Profits, it appears in your left menu inside the WordPress administration. Then all you have to do is click on Add New Video. Now here you can specify the video name, paste your YouTube video link, and define the size of the video along with a few more things. Now the real magic happens when you click on this, the Add Video Actions button. You can insert more than 10 different kinds of actions right inside the videos and force visitors to take action before they can continue watching. Let me show you how you can force an opt-in box inside the video. Just pick the opt-in box option from the drop-down. Now select when you want to show the opt-in form inside the video. You can also choose to lock the video until the action has been completed. Enter some required information for the opt-in, pick a design for the opt-in box from many of the built-in styles, and then pick the animation for the opt-in box to appear inside the video. And that's all. Now hit save and you're done. You could copy and paste this video shortcode inside your blog post and let us see how the final result looks. As soon as we play the video a few seconds later, the opt-in box flies in and forces your visitors to take action. That is just one of the 10 powerful actions that you can add to videos with this amazing new plugin. You could force visitors to take social actions too by sharing your post across Facebook, Twitter, Google, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Or you can also use the like box action to make visitors like your fan page or follow you on Twitter before they can watch the full video. You could even add call to action buttons at any point in the video. This is perfect for Amazon product review videos or adding a buy button to sell something right inside the video. You could also add banner ads right on top of the videos. Pick any position